Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about something that I'm super passionate about, building strength. But here's the thing, you don't need a fancy gym membership or complicated equipment to get amazing results. In this video, I'm going to share my top 5 isometric exercises that you can do anywhere, anytime, to strengthen your entire body. That's right, just 5 moves. These exercises are super effective because they work your muscles in a different way than traditional dynamic exercises. Instead of moving your joints through a range of motion, you're going to hold your body in specific positions, engaging multiple muscle groups at once. Get ready to feel the burn and see some serious results. Let's get started. Alright, our first exercise is the Wallsit. This one's a killer for your quads, glutes, and core. To get into position, stand with your back flat against a wall, feet shoulder width apart, about 2 feet away from the wall. Now slide down the wall until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle, like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Make sure your back stays flat against the wall and your core is engaged. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute, then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat for 3 to 4 rounds. Trust me, you're going to feel the burn. Remember, form is key here. If you find your knees going past your toes, adjust your stance by stepping slightly further away from the wall. You want to make sure you're protecting your joints and getting the most out of this exercise. The Wallsit is amazing for building lower body strength and endurance. It also challenges your core stability, which is essential for good posture and preventing injuries. Plus, it's a great way to improve your mental toughness. Trust me, holding that position for a minute is no joke. But you got this. Next up we have the plank hold. This is one of my all-time favorite exercises because it works your entire core, from your shoulders to your glutes. To do a plank, start in a push-up position with your forearms on the ground, elbows aligned below your shoulders. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, tuck your pelvis slightly, and make sure your hips aren't sagging or piking up. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute, then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat for 3 to 4 rounds. A common mistake people make with the plank is letting their hips sag or piking their butts up in the air. Remember, you want to maintain a straight line from head to heels. If you find yourself struggling, try modifying the plank by dropping to your knees. The key is to maintain proper form and engage your core throughout the entire exercise. The plank hold is amazing for strengthening your core muscles, which are essential for stability, balance, and preventing back pain. It also works your shoulders, chest, and back muscles, giving you a total upper body workout. Plus, it's a great way to improve your posture and overall core strength. Now let's move on to the glute bridge hold. This exercise is amazing for targeting your glutes and hamstrings, giving you that lifted and toned look. To do a glute bridge hold, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground, hip width apart. Your arms should be by your sides with your palms facing down. Engage your core and glutes, then lift your hips off the ground until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top of the movement and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Slowly lower your hips back down to the starting position. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps for 3 to 4 rounds. The glute bridge hold is a great exercise for strengthening your glutes and hamstrings, which are essential for hip extension, stability, and preventing lower back pain. It also engages your core muscles, further enhancing your core strength and stability. Make sure to keep your core engaged throughout the exercise and avoid arching your back. You want to feel the burn in your glutes and hamstrings, not your lower back. Let's move on to the static lunge. This exercise is a great way to work your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, while also challenging your balance and core stability. To do a static lunge, start by standing with your feet hip width apart. Take a big step forward with your right foot and lower your body down until your right thigh is parallel to the ground and your right knee is directly above your ankle. Your left knee should be bent at a 90-degree angle, hovering just above the ground. Make sure your back stays straight and your core is engaged. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute, then switch legs and repeat. The static lunge is a great exercise for building lower body strength and endurance. It also challenges your balance and coordination, which are essential for everyday activities and preventing falls. Remember to keep your core engaged throughout the exercise and avoid letting your front knee go past your toes. You want to make sure you're protecting your joints and getting the most out of this exercise. Last but not least, we have the isometric push-up hold. This exercise is a great way to build upper body strength, targeting your chest, shoulders, and triceps. To do an isometric push-up hold, start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart, wrists directly below your shoulders, and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body down by bending your elbows until your chest is just above the ground. Hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds, then push back up to the starting position. The isometric push-up hold is a great way to build upper body strength and endurance. It also helps improve your core stability and strengthens your shoulder muscles. Remember to keep your core engaged throughout the exercise and avoid letting your hips sag or piking your butt up in the air. You want to maintain a straight line from head to heels throughout the entire exercise. And that's it for today's workout. I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 isometric exercises. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Try incorporating these exercises into your workout routine 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll start to notice a difference in your strength and endurance in no time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing workouts. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you guys in the next one.